Capricorn. I want you to watch the Sagittarius video. I think that there are some alignments. I'm also going to say the same thing to the Aquarius. Meaning, I haven't filmed the Aquarius video yet, but the reason why I say that is because Saturn and Jupiter are both in Aquarius. So, watch the Sagittarius one, and then also watch the Aquarius one. This is about balancing your sense of identity with the collective. Also, you've already dealt... Okay, go watch the intro. Oh, trigger warning, if you don't like sweat, this is not your video. It is 4 pum on the Maui, and I'm a hot mess. However, I mean, just look at this. I am so excited to film these full moon videos here on the Mauis. There's a lot of really fun things going on with this full moon. The degree of the sun and the moon are at 8. The sun has Chiron and Venus, right? Also at 8 degrees next to it. This is big. This is healing. This is value. This is focus. It's Aries and Libra, so we're saying I am balanced with my feelings, balanced with the moon, balanced with reverence, balanced with air, life, relationships. I am maintaining my individuality. So with that said, enjoy, and you're welcome. Okay, here we go. You've already dealt with what it means to love yourself. You've already dealt with your relationship. You've already dealt with how you relate to others. This full moon is not about you and relationships in the Libra sense. This is about you and how you dance with the collective, I think. Hashtag Aquarii. There's community mindedness. Ooh, a lot of things are gonna come up from this. Okay. 10 of Wands. This is deep diving, reverent diving, Piscean diving within your creativity. Fire. Hashtag Aries, yes. Empowered, yes. But lost in the creation. Lost in the making of it. You've gone too far. This has come up a couple times. Also, this has come up a couple times. Also, this has come up a couple times. We have the Ace of Cups. We have the Mother of Swords upside down. And then we have the 4 of Wands. Celebration. In order to turn the light on in your creative center, in order to understand this, the potential here is that what's being started in Aries is going to get to this. You're having trouble starting because you don't know exactly what this is. You don't know it yet. You don't need to know it. That's your gift. You do things instinctually. You create instinctually. You figure it out because you work with your intuition in a beautiful way, in a beautiful, correct way. Trust the freshness of the emotional journey. Trust the fact that Aries brings newness. Aries brings a new beginning. This is a new water element. New emotions. Exalt the container of which you live. Exalt the container of which you are trying to hold this fire. This is a forest fire's worth of creativity that you are not containing because you're judging it. Stop judging it. And how you stop judging it is you celebrate you. You celebrate it. Let this full moon be a celebration for you. Let this full moon be a celebration of your talents, of your gifts, of your reverence, of your correctness, of how you love yourself. Because that is something that is stunning and beautiful and inspiring about Capricorn. Is there's a self-love, there's a self-assurance, there's a confidence that is needed to be seen and shared. Connect to the celebration of it. And while you're celebrating, allow yourself to tap into your witchy emotions. Tap into your emotional magic. Something that you don't do often, but something that you have the potential to do. You can do this. You have to choose to do it, though. This is good. You're good. This is great. You're great. Go have fun. Okay. We did it. I love filming these videos. They're so fun. So, if you want to go on a journey, watch the Libra through Pisces. What came up was pretty profoundly magical. I had a great time. Here's the other thing that I want to say. In order to understand balance, you have to know what you're trying to balance. You have to surrender to A in order to understand how it affects B. Then you have to surrender to B in order to understand how it affects A. You can't balance things that you don't know what they are. Libra is the scales, right? You have two bags. You want to find the balance between these. I have something in this one. There's nothing in this one. Therefore, what do I need to put in this one in order to make it balance this? You have to open it up. Well, what is in here? Okay, this is a boop boop and a boop boop and a bop bop. Okay, what do I need to put in this one then? This is a boop boop, this needs a bop bop and a biddle a diddle. Then you say, okay, now I understand how to balance these two things. Open up your subconscious, this moon. Open up your feminine center. Open up your receiving center. And say, I want to know what is in here so that I can... Hello! I want to know what is in here so that I can then balance myself. I want to know what is in here so that I can understand value, so that I can understand healing, so that I can understand reverence, beauty, and love. The Patreon exploration was stunning. It is live. Patreon Sensible Paul. No dollar amount. Go on over there, sign up. I'm gonna put so many videos of Maui check-ins. So go there. Also, hashtag sun sign. What sign are we in? What season are we in? Aries. So I'm doing a year project. 12 workshops, one for each season. Each workshop will be filmed with people of that sun, moon, or rising placement sign. So we filmed the Aries one. It's available on my website. Go check it out. It's a really good exploration. And it's so fascinating to put people who are all Aries in the same room and be like, oh, personalities. Yes, I love it. It's fascinating. If you have any Aries placement, if you just want to understand the season, this is for you. Also, on the 11th of April, I'm doing an 11 workshop. 11 is the master number of Portal, of the Master Intuitive. If you want help understanding your intuition and mastering your intuition, then this would be a great workshop for you. This workshop is going to happen 11 times this year. Yes, I'm doing a total of 23 workshops this year. This is, y'all, have fun. This is a great time. A great, 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 beautiful, beautiful, beautiful time. And I'm here for you. I'm here for you, and I love you. If you want also another adventure, go check out the website, paulflanagan.com. Kyle Anderson built it from scratch, hashtag code, and he did amazing. T. Peterson helped, and I could not be more grateful for the two of them. So go check that out, paulflanagan.com. That's also where you get all the things. All the links, all the things. Blessings.